Neighborhood watch. We love our children. Drive with care. Those are just some of the many slogans that welcome strangers to communities all across Jamaica, printed on signs just like these. For most communities, it is the only form of security they have. But for others, in some cases, the government or the residents themselves have taken their security into their own hands, blocking access to their homes out of fear or civic duty. The Jamaica Observer visited several communities to hear the residents' stories. First up was Parade Gardens. Residents there have concrete barriers instituted by police as part of a zone of special operations. They're completely at peace with the blockade.
It is a plus for the community. And also the one down at the bottom of East Street is also a plus. The crime rate kind of cut down within this community. I don't know if it works for other community, but I know it works for this community. The ones that it end, you know, is the ones that where not really live in this community. You see me? But me, we live in the community. Me not find an endurance with it.
We're comfortable bad with the blockage. We don't want it move. The people ain't come and move it. Soldier move it. I soldier move it and put it and then go through it and not come back. The work agency move it and then put it back. Me want it go back right there.
Next, we visited Price Lane off Slipe Road, where the residents say it's not a gated community like Parade Gardens, but an uptown ghetto. It's said lovingly, but the residents there have their issues as well.
We live a gate where people go through and come through, but sometimes the boy them thief and run from and run through. So we lock it off.
Their blockade is a steel door that they instituted themselves. They explained to us why.
You them always come, grab the teacher them, run through so, go up on the main. So when the police them come now, them have a shot we have the people them. So we know so we know that. So we have to stop the teeth. More time we stop them, then go for them gunman for and more time gunshot fire up and them thing there so. The only thing we can do, I just lock up the gate. And the teacher then start get robbed now so. We are right. Our school almost our school like.
Residents describe themselves as hardworking, and there are several striving businesses along the street, along with ongoing construction up and down the lane.
Sometimes we can't go to go sleep. 10,000 times when it close, but we can't go sleep. Nobody now can terrorize it.
Our next stop was Hannahtown, which also had checkpoints, but residents who did not want to appear on camera told us that measure has not completely curbed crime in the area.
Majority of the people in the community run gone a couple of years ago. Plus it just get sky high with the violence. Triple murder, double murder. People just are dead. So when I lose my father before, that's how it come up. So the Zozo come in with it and then put some roadblock. And then the crime in the community, it kind of go down, but it never stopped. But it stopped from drive-by and some unnecessary shooting. But if they remove now that cause chaos, you know the violence, it just no. I don't know what going for violence. It's like it now reduce, it just go. So them there with safety. Different from the police, them there with safety.
It is the hope of all the residents who spoke to Observer Online in those 3 communities downtown that the measures will pay off and their communities will be left in peace.